They put a gate on my driveway, like they owned it. I came home from work one evening and saw it. A tall black metal gate, freshly installed, bolted into concrete posts on both sides of my driveway entrance. Locked. My car was sitting outside. My house was on the other side. A worker from the new subdivision next door walked over and casually told me the road had been upgraded into a gated private entrance for their community. Upgraded? That driveway had been my only access to the main road for 12 years. I told him to unlock it. He said I'd need a remote from the HOA office. That's when I knew this wasn't a mistake. It was a power move. That night, I pulled out my closing documents, property survey, and title insurance paperwork. Buried inside was something important, a recorded easement agreement from 1993. The driveway wasn't just dirt and gravel. It was a legally protected access easement attached to my property deed. No one could block it, not without my written consent or a court order. The next morning, I drove straight to my attorney. He reviewed the documents, checked county land records, and confirmed it. The subdivision had built their decorative gate 2 feet inside the easement boundary, which meant they weren't just blocking access, they were trespassing. We filed an emergency motion for injunctive relief that same afternoon. Within 48 hours, a judge granted a temporary order requiring immediate access restoration until a hearing could be held. A sheriff's deputy served the court papers to the HOA president personally. 3 days later, I stood at the edge of my driveway while a contractor arrived with a welding torch. The HOA board members watched from across the street as the lock was cut open. At the formal hearing 2 weeks later, the judge didn't hesitate. The court ruled the gate unlawfully interfered with a recorded easement. The HOA was ordered to remove it permanently, restore the driveway to its original condition, and pay my legal fees. They thought I wouldn't fight back. They thought a metal gate would intimidate me into compliance. Instead, it cost them thousands in legal fees and a public court order. The gate came down. My driveway stayed open, and the law made it clear, access rights aren't decorations you can move around. If you enjoy stories like this, subscribe.